Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LLEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from here. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made, although I suppose updates probably not the right word. Confirmation would be more of an accurate term. And the big point of confirmation comes via this red line here, which, as I talked about on Friday, would be a key level of resistance. And you can see that today, once again, several times the price went up there and, did battle with 45 cents, but 45 cents certainly being very stubborn, and it's become quite apparent right now that that is, indeed where the sellers are currently hanging out at. So I'm not saying that 45 cents can never be broken or anything like that. My point is that when you combine Friday's price movement with, that being where it was rejected, with today's price movement on Monday, very clear that that is where the sellers are hanging out at. So 45 cents, no other way to put it other than, that is definitely public enemy number one going forward. On the other side of things, as far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report. I talked about this green line down there, but the price didn't even come close to testing those. So good to see that that level is still holding and strong as support. And more so of an ideal situation, meaning, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the best going forward? If the price can now start to stay up above 40 cents, that would certainly be a very impressive sign of power. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 40 cents, then that implies everything's destroyed or anything like that, because again, as I already talked about, still have that level of support down there. And then you also have the overarching level down there, that purple line, the 50-period moving average currently valued at 30 cents. So all in all, not any sort of new progress was made today in terms of breaking levels of resistance. I would agree 45 cents got weakened up as resistance, but weakened resistance or not, still considered a level of resistance, so we'll see if the price can eventually get the break this week or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.